Yes, today we are going to learn about triangle. Okay. Yes, if three line segments are joined with each other to form a bounded figure, okay, this is called triangle. And if we write the name of the meeting point of the line segments called sides of the triangles, okay, these meeting points are called the vertices. One vertex in plural, vertices. And here are three angles formed, we know, and we can measure the size of the angles also and sides also. Okay. And if we see about the triangle, we can find here some very important properties that are called properties of triangle. Properties of a triangle. And number one property is that very simple. I think you already know it. If we measure these three angles and add, the sum of these three angles will be exactly 180 degree. That is called the sum of three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. These are the interior angle actually. There is no exterior angle, so that we can just write three angles. Okay, like suppose this is angle A, we can measure this angle also, angle B, angle C, and add to find the sum. It is always 180 degree. We can prove this statement experimentally also. And for the experimental proof, we have to draw at least two figures. Suppose this is first figure, another figure also of maybe different shape and size. Okay, and make a table for figure 1. We can measure angle A and right here with the help of protractor we can measure, and similarly we can measure angle B and angle C, and we can see the result here. What is the result? A result is like this: angle A plus angle B plus angle C. We add these angles. Suppose here comes 50 degree, here will be 60 degree, here will be 70 degree. I have not taken the actual measurement, just suppose. And if we add these three angles, then how much we get? We will exactly get, yes, we will get exactly 180 degree. It is already proved by some mathematicians, so that we can say that we will get exactly 180 degree. But we can check whether this statement is true or not experimentally ourselves also, by drawing the figure and taking the measurement, filling in the table, and yes, finding the result like this. And from one triangle we get like this result. Similarly, we can draw another triangle of maybe a little bit different shape and size. Okay, but we can give the name similarly, so that in this figure 2 also we can take the measurement of the three angles and fill up in the same table, so that we will write the same name, not other names like X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. Okay, okay, and A, B, C, same name are given. Angle A we write here by measurement, B, C, and similarly we can find out the result. And in this case also, if we get the exactly 180 degree, okay, then we can come in the conclusion that, oh yes, it will be true for any triangle, maybe bigger or smaller or of any size and shape. Okay, so our conclusion will be the sum of three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. I think you got it. Yes or not? Everybody speaks, please. Many of you understand
Yes, sir.
this.
Sir,
Again,
me.
give reaction, please.
Yes, sir.
By raising hand, you
Sir.
speak by raising hand. Yes. Good. Do you have any confusion here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Thank you very much. Yes, similarly, we are learning now. We are learning about properties of a triangle. Okay, and you see here once more. We can see other properties also. That was number one. Property number one. Property number two is okay. Yes. First of all, you see if here is a triangle. These angles are called interior angles, and if we proceed aside, here we can see one another angle formed, but that angle is not inside the triangle, that is outside the triangle, so that is called exterior angle. And these angles are called interior angles. And what happens is if this angle is A, suppose this is B and this is C, okay, value of the angles, then we can see, if we measure these three angles, we can see the result. That angle is A is equal to the sum of these two angles B and C. It means that exterior angle of a triangle is always, or let's see, is equal to the sum of two interior. But one thing you see, there are actually three interior angles, but we have to take these two interior angles, not adjacent with this. And these angles are called interior and opposite angles, non-adjacent angles, okay? So sum of two interior, we can write opposite angles. So suppose this angle is equal to 50 degree and this angle is 60 degree, okay? Or let's say one angle is okay, suppose this is X, one angle is 60 degree, this another is 40 degree, then what will be the value of X? We can use the same logic, that exterior angle X is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles, 60 degree and 40 degree, that is 100 degree. Like this we can find out. Similarly, if one of these angles are unknown, we can use the same idea, same logic, same relation and calculate it. Similarly, in the property number one, also what we want is sum of three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. If okay, in a triangle, if one angle is 60 degree, another is 40 degree, and if we have to find third angle, then we can write the reason, the sum of angles, sum of three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Therefore we can write X plus 60 degree plus 40 degree, that is equal to 180 degree, and we can add these angles, 100 degree, that is 180 degree. Yes, and X equal to, we can take that 100 degree in another side, so that we can write minus 100 degree, that is 80 degree. That is the value of x. Like this, we can find out the unknown angle by using the property of the triangle. Okay. Yes. Yes. How many of you understand these two solutions?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Yes, sir. Sir, I understand.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I
Sir,
understand.
understand.
Sir, I understand.
Do you have any
Sir,
confusion?
I understand. No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Sir.
Yes, the same reason the sum of three angles, the sum of the same reason you can write hello Samir. Yes, in this case also we use the same property number one. The sum of three angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. The same thing you write first of all, so that we can write x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180 degrees. And we can add these like terms. Here is only one x, here is 2x altogether, that is 3x, and here is another 3x. So total 6x it will be. It is just x is like something like maybe marble, yes, or maybe monkey, one monkey and two monkey and three monkey, total six monkeys, like that. 6x equal to 180 degree, and x equal to 180 divided by 6, it goes down, so that we can reduce into simple form and we get 40 degree. So this is the value of x. Like this, we can find out the value of unknown angle, or yeah, okay, we can find the value of x. Yes, this is property number 3. And the property number 3, property of the triangle we are learning about, that property is the angles of an equilateral triangle. The angles of an equilateral triangle is, are equal. Suppose here is an equilateral triangle, it means all sides are equal. Yes, equilateral triangle, then these all angles are equal. So if this is x, then this also will be x, this also will be x. And by the first property, what should be the sum of three angles? X plus x plus x equal to 180. This is by first property, so that x, one monkey, another one monkey, one monkey, three monkeys, like that. Okay, 3x, we can add these terms and we can find out the value of x. Okay, 3 goes down, it is multiple product form, so goes to divide while taking another side, and it gives, while dividing, it gives 60 degrees. So each angle, we come to know that each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. It means all the angles are 60, 60 and 60 degree, like this. Property number, now we will learn about property number 4. And the property number 4 is the angles opposite to the equal sides. The angles opposite to the equal sides of a triangle are equal. It means that in a triangle, if there are two sides are equal, okay, the angles opposite to the equal sides, these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal, and its opposite angle is this, and its opposite angle is this. Then these opposite angles are also equal. Suppose this is 50 degree, then this also will be exactly 50 degree. If you are given such a question, this side and this side are equal. If this is x and this is 60 degree, what is the value of x? Yes, obviously it will be x equal to 60 degree. But we must write the reason. This reason. Because of this reason, you have to write. Since the angles opposite to the equal sides of a triangle are equal, na? You have to write the same region. Therefore, you can write x, value of x is equal to exactly 60 degree. Like this, you can find the unknown angle. Not only that, if these two sides are equal, its opposite is here and its opposite is here, so these two angles must be equal. And this property is also called as base angles. If two sides are equal, then we call it isosceles triangle, and these are called base angles. So that base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. Like this also we can express the same fact. I think you are understanding, yes or not? Yes, thank you very much. Very good. Okay, everybody will see about property number 5. That is, in the same triangle, we are talking about the properties of triangle. In a triangle, what kind of properties are found, that we are going to learn. We are discussing the same, okay? And the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. It means, suppose in a triangle, this side is suppose A, this is B, this is C. If we add A plus B, that is always greater than C. Similarly, if we add A and C, that is always greater than the third one, B. If we add B and C, that is always greater than the third one, A. Like this. Otherwise, a triangle cannot be formed. And these all the properties can be verified experimentally. You can do experiment yourself also. You can take 3 sticks such that sum of 2 sticks like this. Suppose these are 2 sticks. Yes. Greater than third one, and try to join these 3 sticks to form a triangle. Yes, you can make it. But suppose any 2 sticks, I'll take from here. Wait, please. Suppose this is 1 stick and this is another stick, suppose. And while joining these 2 sticks, it is not greater than this third stick. We can see here a little bit different. This one is longer, single one is longer. Yes, in this condition, if we try to make a triangle by joining the tips of these 3 sticks, like 3 sides of a triangle, yes, if we join the tip of these 3 sticks to form a triangle, then it is not possible to join the tips. You see, यो टुप्पो टुप्पो जोड्न मिल्दैन. Triangle cannot be formed. Yes, this is the property number 5. But if the length of 2 sticks is greater than the third one, then we can join the tips to form a triangle like this. Yes, this is the experimental part. I think you understand it. Yes, how many of you understand these properties?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. I'll not write this. I'll just tell you. The angle opposite to the longest side of a triangle is always greater in size. Okay, and the angle opposite to the shortest side is the smallest in size. It means if here is a triangle like this, and suppose this is the shortest side, okay, and this is the shortest side and longest side, then the angle opposite to the longest side is always greatest in size. This is the greatest angle in this triangle. And if this is the shortest side, then its opposite, the angle opposite to the shortest side is smallest in size. Now, if the name of this angle is this, okay, which one is the longest, sorry, which one is the greatest angle? Yes, greatest angle is angle A because it is opposite to the greatest